Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use camera lens cleaning lens. It helps iPhone to detect a dirty lens and suggest cleaning. On our iPhone, let's get started. When your iPhone detects that the camera lens is dirty, it will show a small message or hint on the screen while you are using the camera app. It might say something like clean the lens for better photos. All you have to do is wipe the lens gently with a soft, clean cloth like a microfiber cloth. You can also enable or check these features in your settings. First, open the settings on your phone, then tap on camera and make sure lens cleaning lens is turned on. This is super helpful because you don't waste time wondering why photos are blurred. You get better picture quality every time. Keeps your iPhone camera working perfectly. So next time your iPhone tells you to clean the lens, just give it a quick wipe and your photos will be crystal clear. And that's it. That's how camera lens cleaning works on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.